how to create a contact form in WordPress like this. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm 𝗀𝗲𝗲 from 𝗃𝗧𝗃 Official. Let's go to the composition. First, go to our WordPress dashboard. Now this is our WordPress dashboard. First visit our website. This is our website. Add a new contact form in our website like this page. And implement a contact form this section. We must follow 3 methods to create a contact form. First, installing the contact form from plugin. Now open plugin and click add new. In the right of top corner, you will find the search field. Type Ninja Forms. This is our contact form. Now install now. After some moment, install this plugin. Then active our plugin. After that, it will be displayed in plugin, installed plugin. Okay, now go to our plugin. This is our plugin. Install and activate. After finishing first method, we start second method. Create a new form. Now check our left side menu. Click Ninja Form. And delete the default contact form. To create a new form, click the add new button. Okay, now click blank form. After clicking the blank form, you will select first name, last name. I want this type of form. You choose another field, no problem. I'll show that how to create a contact form. Okay, and also added submitted button. Okay, now click done and publish. After publish, you will see a form title. I will provide this name, my new form. Then publish. After publish, you close this Ninja form. Now go to pages. Open the pages you want to add the form and click edit with Elementor. Okay. Now choose a section of the pages where you want to add the form. Okay, I also change this section and click plus icon. In the element section, search for forms and select Ninja Forms Widget. Okay, drag and drop. Now select our form. Okay, then apply. After apply this process, you must update your post. Okay, now go to our website and this page. You can see my form will be added. First name, last name, email, phone, address, and the last one submit button. Now I will show last part of this method is demo method. We create a contact form. This method will show how it's worked. Now let's test the contact form. Open the pages with contact form. Add your name, email and other details and submit it. After submitted, you have a message like your form has been successfully submitted. Okay, now time to check our contact form dashboard. Go to Ninja Form and click submission and select the form. After selecting this form, you will show submitted our document. That's it, guys. This is how you can add a contact form on your website. If you have any problem on this tutorial, please comment below and share your experience. Thank you, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.